Hello dear friends, today our first commercial run for paper. It's approximately 250 milligrams per square meter. This is automatic paper feed by offset technology and hydraulic pressure for very good film attach with especially digital printing machine and automatic paper separation. It's also very useful, very good. Actually, we really love it because for a long time we made the same by our own hands on a very old Chinese machine. And if we will compare this production workflow with our usual production workflow, it's absolutely different stories. If you've got money, I'm really appreciate and really give you a piece of advice that you will use modern fully automatic machine. It's really good, it's really useful, and I think you will improve your production for many times. Thank you so much, my friends. I really hope it was interesting for you. Just subscribe and make your likes. Thank you.